time for breakfast, guys. Welcome. Today.
What have you done with the sandwiches?
Good morning and welcome. Day 37. Now we're talking. No. Don't look out. Don't look out.
We have already been on the balcony. And today is not just a little drizzle. I don't know if you can see from the from there. It's raining like crazy. Yep. So today we have to do our breakfast ourselves on this B&B, but it's luxurious. They got those 2 plates. Boiled egg we have to do ourselves, and of course set the table we have to do. So we have toasted the bread, and
yeah, and it was raw egg because then you can boil them or you can fry them.
Yeah, and
they're locals just from here, so.
Yeah, then they can use it to bake and everything. So that's
and they kept. If you have them like this in a bowl, you can have eggs for months.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you boil them or fry them, just fried eggs I think a few days, but boiled eggs in the fridge at least 7 days.
Yeah. Yeah, we're walking with boiled eggs, so we have them for 3 or 4 days.
I just have to make a fast phone call.
Yeah. Is that you know, new iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah, with a... beautiful.
The beauty.
Yeah, and I will take some cereals as well. They have cereals there, so I will take that. And beautiful place. And I have taken out the bag of bread from the freezer, so that's perfect as well. So they save everything here. So when we are done, we will put that in the freezer as well. But I didn't know how many sandwiches we're gonna eat. So.
And it's just you and me here, so we can...
Yeah, and I don't think it's going to be so much filming today.
It's very hard to get the camera up and down when it's such heavy
And
rain.
your phone said 100% raining all day.
I have never seen that before. It's 45, 55, 10%, but today 100% rain.
Yeah.
So...
Yeah, and today we we're going to walk to Ludvika.
Yeah,
so,
to the big city, because as I told you guys so many times, my boots are leaking water, so I can assure you that my feet will be very, very wet today. So I have I have ordered a new pair, so they're going to arrive to Ludvika tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe the shortest video ever, so see you tomorrow. No, just joking.
see you in Ludvika, maybe.
Yeah. No.
We will stop by.
We will try to film, but now I feel like we just eat a little bit extra here, and we would not stop for dinner on the road.
If we find a good shelter, we will stop to have something to eat and a bit rest. If we
rest we need, but eat I don't think so.
I don't know. No, because it's quite short today. I think just 15.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. So, but less talking, more eating the breakfast, and see you when we're leaving here again. Yeah.
Well. Here we are.
Guess what? It's raining. When the app said 100%.
100% rain. So this is the day's weather?
Yeah.
So I can see now the camera is wet already, so you are not going to see so much this day.
We will try, but I don't think so either. Because the camera has been a little so-so. It haven't worked every day, so...
It went black the other day.
Yeah, of course, I think you have seen it in one of the videos, because I didn't cut that out from the video, so... But... it's gonna be a long rainy day. I cannot see you, so I have to catch my poncho by the ear. Like one of the dwarfs, Tuco, the crazy one. Yeah, so now it's going to be a long day in the rain. So we decided we have no water with us, we have no no coffee with us. We have, of course, we have food, but we are not going to eat anything. So we eat the extra toast with egg to breakfast. So we eat when we hit Ludvika, because it's gonna rain like this all day long.
Yeah, and it's quite near. Just like you say, I don't think it's even not even 15, maybe 12. So we're just going to put you down in the belly bag, and then we're gonna move on.
Yeah, and I think we're gonna walk on the big road, not the forest. We have to decide that as well. So.
Yeah.
But if it's a little bit wider in the forest, we will walk on the forest road. If it's too narrow, we will go out and just walk with the big road, the main road by the cars. So we have to see that as well, because like Anna's new shoes is coming tomorrow afternoon, hopefully around 12. But if they come around 15, 16, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, we have to stay an extra night in Ludvika. So
yeah, so we don't know actually how we're going to do. We have to see.
We have to see that as well. So, but
you are wet, guys. See you in Ludvika.
Yeah, look at that. Everywhere. Funny. Yeah, and to try to pack down the camera really good. Put it in a plastic. Hello guys, and we're already at Ludvika's accommodation, because we didn't film anything. No, it was crazy rain, so we didn't dare to pick out the camera, and we already checked in. We're drying everything up, like you see.
Showered.
Yeah, that's not from the rain, but
no,
but you were almost the same when we come here.
It was horrible.
Yeah, so now everything is drying up. We even put our bags for drying, so we're gonna send them down at the hotel, because they are soaking wet as well, and everything inside the bag as well. So
yeah, and the staff asked if we wanted to borrow the hotel's dry room downstairs.
Yeah. So we're gonna
manage.
Yeah, and nice bathroom, and of course clothes drying and looking good. A perfect accommodation this. And Anna's shoes is coming late tomorrow, so we already booked another night here, because they arrive around 5, 6 o'clock if we're lucky. So we're gonna stay here for an extra night just because we're waiting for the shoes. This wasn't in the plan and made us both little so, because now we want to walk, because we have to train with the bags. Yeah. And now we're gonna go out. Look at these beautiful flowers. Go out and buy some drinks and buy some cream, cheese and fruits. Yeah. And we're just gonna eat in the room today, because and for now it's not raining. When we took the showers, I did a shave and cut my beard, and Anna did the same. She did a shave and cut her beard. And now it's not raining.
So let's hurry out.
Yeah, so maybe I think like 30-40 minutes without rain, but like the app said, 100% rain. I have never seen that before. That was super fun.
And my shoes are soaking wet, and you are
wet.
You are wet.
Yeah.
But
so now
this is too much rain.
Yeah. Now you need rain boots. So I go without those now. I would just put my foot in there, and I got new socks, so they will suck up the wetness, I think.
Mine are heavy. Huh? They are really heavy. Oh. Yeah. But, well.
Yeah, but super nice room, and like $96 for the room.
Yeah.
So
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Just one wrong with the room. There are 2 beds.
Yeah. So
but I'll think about taking one of my shoelaces and tie them together.
maybe. Yeah. So now we will take you guys with us, so we can film a few minutes on the town, because now it's not raining. So when we can film a little bit.
Yeah, so welcome to Ludvika.
Ludvika. Huh? That's the place we are.
Yeah,
maybe I said something else, I don't know.
No,
I have a shopping bag we need as well, so let's put on our gear and then we'll go out, guys. So join us.
And now we even see people here in Ludvika. Oh. When we arrived, they were completely empty on the street.
Yeah, no one here. So that was funny, but now it's almost like it have never rained. I can feel in my shoes. I am already soaking wet on my socks again.
Yes.
This is the new socks. So, interesting.
Yeah. So the fountain, the water feature is on.
Yeah.
Huh?
You need it.
Even when it's rained so much.
Yeah, but having walked now, it have not been so wet, but that you never know. We had on our apps 100% rain today, but now it even had dries up a bit on the ground.
And that was fast. And like we said when we walked, it was so hot.
Yeah, I was sweaty on the inside and rain wet on the outside, so it was a strange thing when you're completely wet or sweat because it's too hot. And now we have to see how long it doesn't take to dry everything up because everything was so wet. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. And we have no plans. We were just waiting for the shoes, so we don't know what to do here in Ludvika. We don't know what to see, if there is anything interesting here, or we just walk around and look what we can see. But for now it seems like it's a small village, a lot of pizza place.
A big village, a small town.
Yeah, a big village. Yeah. Look at the horses. Beautiful. Yeah. So it's just they have pizza place because that every small town in Sweden have pizza place, and here they got 3. So if they have 3 of them, you know, it's a little bit bigger.
And I know what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to color my eyebrows and eyelashes.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
That we have.
Because I have no color left.
No.
They are just dry, they are blonde.
Yeah. So that
Can't
guys we're longing for. You can see mine are dark. Why are you hitting me?
Because you're silly.
Me and the Anna fans are longing for.
Oh, look at this.
The eyelash painting.
Tervetuloa. That's Finnish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Finnish.
Asian Finnish.
Thai Finnish store.
Yeah. We sell candy.
And mustard.
Huh?
Soya and mustard.
Yeah. And Finnish sausages. And fun. But it's a nice little village. Even got Lidl. And if they got
many stores, many grocery stores now.
Yeah.
Lidl, Ica,
Coop and Hemköp. So they got them all. That's something nice as well.
It's a mölla.
It can be, I don't know. And this is the city center of Ludvika, so a completely normal small town. Go over there, looks beautiful as well.
The park?
Yeah. And over there's a sports center with swimming and squash and badminton and tennis place and everything. So, the city house. That was beautiful.
Yeah, so we have no idea what to do tomorrow, except for my eyelashes then.
Yeah, of course, we cannot miss the eyelashes, guys. Oh my god. That important. That's I'm longing. Maybe I cannot fall asleep tonight because of the eyelashes. It's gonna be so nice.
Is it a church? I don't know what it is.
I think it's a Ludvika Ulrika church. It can be. Nice one. But is that the church or is that the church? I don't know.
Must be that one.
It's beautiful anyway. And here's a small park. And that's nice as well. And maybe we should make a 6-hour-long eyebrows video. How the eyebrows...
It's just gonna take 20 minutes to get them tinted.
Yeah, but maybe we can have the all-night camera on your eyebrows.
You can say that you have the... Oh, there's the... Now you can see the church.
Yeah, there's the church. Beautiful. And there's some dude in the park. We go back and sum up with the dude.
But otherwise,
I see it's gonna start to rain
tomorrow.
No.
Just relax, maybe.
Yeah, just the eyebrows that you have to wait for, guys.
No, the eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
And eyebrows.
Ah, okay. So that's what we're longing for, but I don't think we do any videos tomorrow. Maybe we do eating video, or if we find an interesting place here. I don't know. Or we just stroll around. So here's the dude. Who's this? Dan Andersson. Oh, my name twin. That you have to...
Dan.
Yeah. The Dan Andersson. But I'm not Dan Andersson. But
you almost got the hair, the same forehead.
yeah, we look the same. Exactly. So you and Dan in the thumbnail?
Can I have 2 Dans beside me?
One Dan. 2
Just
Dan
one
is too
Dan?
much. Yeah. Two Dans mocking your eyebrows. It cannot be good. So you and the Dans.
You and
Yeah.
Dan.
Short video today because we didn't dare to take out the camera because it was raining too much. We had to dry all our gear, even the sleeping bag got a little bit wet. So we didn't close the dry bag so good. So we have a little bit of work to dry everything up, but it's okay. It was
no problem. We're going to be here for 2 nights.
Yeah. So thank you for coming along on this video. I don't know what we have filmed.
Not much
No,
today.
maybe breakfast and just this, I think.
I think so.
Yeah, but
it was a weird day.
yeah, but a good day, and maybe see you tomorrow, or we see you in 2 days when we walk again. So thumb up, make a nice comment, and I will answer them all. And
See you with new shoes and eyelashes.
yeah, but same old Dan.
The same.
Yeah, so new Anna, new boots, new eyelashes, but the
Same old Dan.
same old boring Dan. See you guys, bye bye.